Ding dong. Hello.
Hello, Joe. My name is Trenton with Crisara and Electric. How you doing?
It's a pleasure to meet you, sir.
Pleasure to meet you, my friend. What is the prompt of this call today?
Well, right now we have a no heat situation here. It's it's gotten really cold last night, and we're just freezing our patootie up in here. I didn't expect it to be 30 degrees in Houston. You know what I'm saying? There?
Absolutely.
Yeah, we are just freezing.
Cold.
Yeah.
That's absolutely cold. Are we just here to look at it today, or we're not doing any work?
No. I got to get this thing fixed. I took off work all day to make sure we get this thing done.
Okay. So just so that I'm clear, what are we hoping to accomplish?
I got to get this thing fixed. I'm going on a business trip right now with my family being here, and Julie, she's a medical professional at the hospital, and she'll be gone for the next 3 days too. So my 12-year-old Karen is taking care of my 7-year-old Wyatt, and I got to make sure these kids we've got pre-prepared meals for them. We take care of them, but you know, they're here, but the kids are really going to be here on their own. Kind of a really big test with the 9-year-old boy and the 12-year-old my daughter. So we really got to make sure that this thing is working properly for them.
I understand. How does that make you feel?
It's just not good. I mean, I hate to even leave here with all this stuff going on with no heat on top of it. So we've got to make sure everything is safe for the family. You know.
Absolutely. Well, Joe, can I say something?
Sure. What is it?
I just wanted to say that it means a lot to me that a father like yourself put so much time and thought into getting everything situated, make sure the heat's working properly for your family while you're away.
It's so nice of you to say that.
Not many people would do that for their family.
That's really nice of you to say that.
Yes, sir, absolutely. Thank you for sharing that with me.
You want a cup of coffee?
I would love one.
Get you a cup of coffee here. Well, cream and sugar or just black?
Black's fine.
Black, here you go, black coffee.
Thank you, sir.
So anyway, yeah, just want to take a look at this thing. I mean, here's the system right here, the unit.
Okay, perfect. Do you have a normal company that does your maintenance?
Oh yeah, I use Acme, my normal company.
Got you. Well, how come they're not out here today?
I don't want to get into it. It was kind of a bad situation that happened last time.
Well, off the record, Joe, just so that I don't make the same mistake. What happened?
Off the record?
Off the record.
I'll tell you what happened. Last time we were out here, we had this guy, we had the water heater. It's in the hallway, in the hallway going over there. And we had a situation where he was going to work on getting the water heater working. And the heating, he was trying to get the ignition, the thermocouple or something like that working. And we had my daughter's bedroom right across from that hallway by the water heater. And so I'm sitting there reading a newspaper, and all of a sudden I hear like, I'm like, what's going on over there? And I walked over there, and this guy, Randy, is surfing porn on my daughter's computer.
Oh no, that's never good. Did you call the manager? Did you speak to the manager? I
said, yeah, I called the manager, and he said, well, it's really not porn, it's just artistic expression. He said, it's only, he said, everybody expresses himself differently, Joe, you got to learn that. I said, wow.
Did you happen to talk to the owner, Joe?
I did. I tried calling the owner. He wouldn't take my calls.
He wouldn't take your calls,
no.
Huh? Well,
He wouldn't take my calls. No.
He wouldn't take calls. Well, that sure is bad service.
Yeah. That's the end of that, I guess.
Yeah. So you don't ever plan on using them again then?
No, I'm done with those guys.
Are you sure? I don't want to step on any toes.
No, I'm done with them 100%. That's literally why I called you guys.
Perfect. How did you hear about us, Joe?
Well, I belong to St. Matthew's Church, the Baptist church,
Mm-hmm.
And they had my receptionist at the church. It's Carol Haste. She told me about you guys.
Carol Haste. Yeah, she's a real great customer. We've been doing her system for quite a while.
She is. She said she's used you guys for a long time.
Gotcha. What did she say about it?
She said you guys weren't the cheapest company, but you're the best. She said you guys were neat and you're just really good gentlemen to get the job done.
What else did she say?
She said that you guys were just meticulous about doing good workmanship, which is the best company in all of Houston, of any kind. She said not just of HVAC, but any kind.
That was sure nice for her to say those things. Do you mind if I call her after we leave here and just let her know that we appreciate her kind words about our company?
You're not going to do that.
Oh, absolutely.
You are?
Absolutely.
You tell Carol I said hi. She's a real sweetheart. Okay?
Yeah, absolutely. I'll tell Carol that.
Okay, well, see what you can find here, okay? Let me know what we're going to do.
Okay, let me take a look.
All right, so what'd you come up with, Trent? Something nice and easy? What are we doing here?
Alrighty, Joe. So I took a look at everything, and it was actually a lot worse than I thought.
Oh no. What is it?
But the good thing is that I wrote up some options for you. So whatever happens, just make sure you choose the best solution for you and your family.
Okay, good.
Okay.
What's the top option?
So this top option is my Joe's Worry-Free Air Movement Delivery System renovation. Okay, that's going to include your complete air delivery system, and what we're actually going to do, Joe, is we're going to upgrade that to a Whisper Quiet air delivery system. That way, Wyatt has a good night's sleep, doesn't have any issues with the loud unit once we get the repairs made.
I love it. Yeah.
We're also going to replace your motherboard control system, and we're going to do that. We're going to do that as part of the air delivery system to accommodate that Whisper Quiet feature that's going to help you guys. Okay. As well is that voltage convergence system we're going to replace for you. That's to make sure that this Whisper Quiet system is going to continue working, and it's got a little bit more bite to it. Okay.
I get you. Okay.
All right. One thing. What did you say about Wyatt?
I said his asthma.
His asthma, okay.
Yeah.
One thing I wanted to make sure we included on this, because that's definitely important to you guys, it's important for us too. We wanted to go ahead and install a whole home UV lighting system, and that way he can breathe easy, especially when allergy season comes up. You guys don't have to worry about it as much when it's on.
Never thought of that. It just purifies the air?
It just purifies the air, yes sir.
Wow, that sounds good, yeah.
Yeah, absolutely. This package also comes with a 5-year all-inclusive maintenance, service, and material warranty. So for 5 years, you're not going to write me a check for a thing. Labor, the parts, and your maintenance is all included.
So how many times you come out a year?
Twice a year, so it's biannual.
So 10 visits I get for this?
10 visits is what you get.
So you're talking a lot of money for this then.
Well, take a guess, Joe. How much do you think something like that would cost?
Well, I mean, the maintenance has got to be over $2,500 easily, because I know you got charged like $200 for maintenance.
Triple that.
$7,500?
No,
How
I'm
much?
just kidding.
How much?
You're looking at $4,060.
Oh, that's not too bad.
What should we do?
Can I just say something, Trenton?
Go ahead, sir.
You're way more money than Acme. Like 10 times more.
Absolutely, I understand that. It's a high investment.
I mean, they would have been like $350 for this.
Really?
$4,060.
Really? Well, Joe, let me ask you something. What did you say about Acme earlier?
Yeah, I don't want that service.
So what should we do?
I mean, if I shopped around, wouldn't I find a cheaper price from somebody else?
Absolutely, you definitely will find a cheaper price. But Joe, let me ask you, when's the last time you found the highest quality of anything and paid the least amount of money for it?
Never.
Okay, so what should we do?
So you really expect me to drop $4,000 to fix a furnace?
Well, you said you wanted to get it fixed today, right, Joe?
I did, yeah.
Okay, so what should we do?
Well, I mean, I think I paid for the whole system with the heating and air conditioning like $6,500, so this is more than half the amount of the whole furnace. You know what I'm saying?
I can understand that it's a high investment,
Yes.
but that's what quality looks like. There's a price for quality, and I'm not willing to sacrifice any health, safety, or reliability for you and your family. What should we do?
Well, would this at least get the heat on for us today? I mean, would we get the thing up and running or no?
If I said I could, what would happen then?
We just do it then. I want that $4,060.
What should we do?
$4,060. Let's do that one.
Sounds good. Oh, how would you like to pay for that today?
Well, I mean, can I use American Express card?
If I said you could, what would happen then?
We just do it. I want to do that. So, Joe, before we go forward, though, you know, you never really looked at the cheaper options. So that's right.
Joe, just to double check, are you sure we want the premium option? We do have more economical options down there.
No, I want the top one.
Okay. So what should we do?
Let's do the best one, okay?
Okay.
That's it. Nice job, Trent. Good job.